My father was born in the year 1900. So he came from Lakhisai.
Oh,
And he saw this building, that Lucky restaurant, not this tower. Asked my father, say, sir, आपको होटल के लिए मनता है क्या? He said, why you're joking? He was nice. Shahrukh Khan,
yes. Shah Rukh Khan said it.
Anupam Kher had an interview with him. Lunch or dinner at Lucky.
Yes.
कल सुबह तुम हमारे ऑफिस में आ जाना. And started Shahrukh Khan to get Shahrukh Khan.
The partners in my business are my guests, my customers.
Welcome to Plan B podcast where every business matters. Today, we are broadcasting from the very iconic Lucky restaurant in Bandra. I'm Prathamesh with my co-host. She's behind the camera, Nashita. So, thank you. And today we are digging into nearly 87 years of biryani magic from Iran to Mumbai. This is all it started. We'll be chatting with third gen owner of this restaurant and second gen owner of this restaurant. So, we'll be eating while we chat, so grab your plates now. Thank you. Yes, so first of all, thank you so much for being here and taking out your time, and welcome to Plan B podcast. So let's just directly start with the starters, maybe, or we can start with the biryani. But I really want to know the backstory of it when your father started in 1938, 9 September.
Until 9 September
9 September
1938.
1938, yes. So how this lucky
Yes.
name happened back then?
See, my father was born in the year 1900.
Mhm.
At the age of 12, he migrated from Iran to Bombay in 1912. And he started his own and gradually started a restaurant up to Pune, Madanpura,
Oh,
Bombay, and Imambara, Bombay. Then he started a restaurant in Bombay restaurant in, why it was called Bombay? Because Bombay city was up till Mahim and
yes,
Science.
yes, correct.
This
correct,
was Bandra municipality.
correct.
So he called the restaurant Bombay Restaurant.
Ah,
It is situated in Bandra Bazaar. And in the year 1938, my father still had not married.
Oh,
And he was, our religious places are in Longri.
ah,
So he used to go there by train and come. So one day, and the shortcut was from Bandra to Nandigali, then to Bandra Bazaar. So one day he said, let me go from this side. So he came from Lakhisai.
Oh,
And he saw this building, that Lucky restaurant, not this tower. And we saw a motor car showroom.
okay.
They used to sell new cars.
So it was a showroom here back then.
When he saw the motor car showroom, he came to, on the new building, Lucky building had come up.
Yes, yes.
We went to his restaurant in Bazaar. And I've seen something new in Bandra. He said, what? This, my father was called Sayyid Sah. Kya dekhe? He said, I saw a building new come up at the junction and there was car showroom.
Yes.
I asked my father, say, sir, आपको होटल के लिए मनता है क्या? I said, why you're joking? Well, it's nice. Because in those days, people had no money.
Yes, correct.
Car showroom was there, but no sale,
No sale. Yes,
nothing in the pocket.
correct.
It was beginning of Second World War and all, and everything. The First World War had taken place, and the British had to fight and all. We will not go into politics of First and Second World War. The people were really, really, really poor, our Indians. So, this building, half of Bandra belonged to Dogster DeMonte. DeMonte. Still there are DeMonte Park,
The Monty Park, yes. Correct.
DeMonte Street,
Yes.
and DeMonte Road. DeMonte Street is
Yes.
University Street.
Correct, correct.
So, yeah, and this, sorry, BJP office, you have seen the building here
Yes, yes.
before the police station.
Yes.
That building was the dispensary of Dr. DeMonte.
Oh.
So Dr. DeMonte wanted to give up because he was not a businessman, he was a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
So they both came together to Dr. DeMonte. Dr. DeMonte said 3 months advance rent.
Oh.
So my father paid 375 and he got the place.
Oh.
And after getting the place, now the furniture,
Yes.
in those days, was supplying tea leaf and milk. Wholesale tea suppliers and milk, they used to give money to the people to open restaurant. But the only condition was that you have to buy tea or milk from us.
Oh.
So my father was offered a amount of 3,000, and from 3,000 he made a beautiful furniture.
Oh.
And it all started in 9th of September 1938.
88.
It was a Sunday.
Yes.
It was the first day of Mount Mary Feast. And the priest had come from Goa. He blessed the whole place. And from that day, Lucky is still lucky. Today being the 19th of July 2025. Well, my father passed away in 1971. I am one of his sons.
Yes.
He was 7 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yes.
4 of my brothers are passed. I am a graduate from National College, Bandra, Bombay University. I am a science graduate, chemistry and botany. And I think so I know 7 languages.
Oh, that's commendable.
So, I was a child who was born in Lucky, studied in Lucky,
Oh.
living in Lucky, and original Bandra.
Oh.
Born in Bandra.
That's
My college was,
Ha.
and for few years I was in Stanislaus Bandra.
Ha.
So, original Bandra. You're talking to an original Bandra.
Original band.
And Bandra was called Queen of Suburbs.
Oh. Yes, yes, that I heard.
Beautiful place, greenery.
Yes.
Now everything has changed.
Yes.
The green jungle has become conquered.
So, Bandra from 0 to till what
All
we are right
cottages were
now.
there. There were 7 Christian parishes here. And majority of the people
Yes.
were Catholics. From those days till now, Lucky is still there.
Yes.
That's because-
Everyone call it whosoever comes here, that person gets lucky.
Of course. Shah Rukh Khan,
Yes. Shah Rukh Khan said it.
Anupam Khera, had an interview with me. He said when I came from Delhi, I was having my lunch or dinner at Lucky.
Yes.
The nearby table, the producer was having.
Yes.
He came to my table. He asked me whether you have come to visit or work. He said, come to work. कल सुबह तुम हमारे ऑफिस में आ जाना. And he started Shahrukh Khan to get Shahrukh Khan. So you want to try it? Try it.
I'm waiting for my turn now.
You are always welcome.
Yes.
100% sure, because you see, some places you go,
Yes.
you love to sit there.
It gives very positive vibe.
Some places are blessed.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct.
Will not go in the theory of blessing. And
Yes. Yes.
in some places you go just want to walk at it.
Yes.
So Lucky is one of the blessed.
Yes.
So if you want to get blessed, come to Lucky.
Yes.
Have your lunch, dinner.
Ah.
It will be-
I'll definitely have it. One more question with this. That bag.
Acha, why you call it Lucky?
Yes.
Because luckily he had come from this side.
Yes.
Because his route was that Nandi Gali.
Oh, that
He said
day
that's
he
why-
changed
So he
his
said,
route.
luckily I came, so he called the restaurant Lucky.
Oh. That's
That
how
is a
this
lucky
happened.
It is called Lucky Restaurant
Yes,
because
correct.
luckily got the place.
He just luckily changed his
Like
route
man
and
came from this route, and from this route he saw the building, he got the place at the restaurant, and we are owning the restaurant now.
lucky restaurant.
19 about 40 years ago made this hotel also
Yes. Now you also provide accommodations and
accommodation.
yes. And I guess we also have other branches in Goregaon and
Goregaon is the place in 1945. My father had bought the whole place.
Oh,
A
That
huge amount of rupees, 10,000,
yes.
and it was 10 acres of land.
Yes.
So the developer developed, and the building which we have made is our hotel and restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant and hotel.
Yeah.
By the way,
This is-
I'm staying at your restaurant only. Your hotel only.
Where Goregaon?
Goregaon. Yes.
So the whole place, Irani colony,
Yes.
Irani Wadi, all was belonging to my father.
Oh, that's great. That's great. With that, how this like back then when you've all started in 1938. So how Lucky's identity and menu developed
You
by
see,
that?
when we started, when my father started, our menu was very, very small.
Hmm.
There was no printed menu.
Yes.
The waiter used to come and ask for, क्या खाएंगा चीमा पाव, क्या खाएंगा दाल. That was the menu. Dal, tarkari, roast, chap, biryani. That's all. Biryani was made from the day one. But in those days, biryani was only mutton biryani
Mutton biryani. Yes.
and subsequently chicken biryani.
yes.
So biryani was there for me, but people had no money. It was very costly for them. 1 rupee for 4 plate, full plate,
Yes.
and 8 annas for half a plate.
4.
But people had
No money. Right.
1 rupee was too much for them.
Yes.
1 anna, 1 rupee, 16 annas.
Yes.
1 anna, ek chai.
Yes.
Now, 50 rupees ka chai.
Yes.
And in those days, it was 1 anna. But it was very costly.
That time it
Our
was
khane ka biryani. So it was only mutton biryani, and we started, and the menu was only 6-7 items.
okay.
And gradually, my brothers took over, the knife took over. Now my son, Mr. Mohsen, is looking up the
yes.
He has developed the place,
Yes.
and now we are that is a second great restaurant.
Oh, yes.
Why?
Everyone knows about Lucky.
Lucky Corner.
Lucky Corner, yes.
It is,
That-
they've called it Muhammad Rafiq Chowk, but nobody has asked anybody Muhammad Rafiq Chowk kidhar hai, nobody knows.
Nahi.
Lucky kidhar hai?
Yes. Yes.
गाड़ी में
correct,
बैठो,
correct.
टैक्सी में बैठो.
This is the big achievement in itself.
Yes, that is. See, for success you have to have 4 things.
Yes.
1, hard work.
Yes.
2, honesty.
Yes.
Or your first honesty, second hard work. Then third, luck.
Luck.
To be
Yes.
lucky.
Yes.
And fourth, God is just. He gives opportunities to all.
Yes.
It is your job to grab the opportunity.
Grab the opportunity.
When the opportunity comes,
Yes.
you have to grab it. So these 4 things are absolutely necessary for success.
Yes.
But honesty should be there. My
So
father-
this is your secret of success.
these 4 things.
This one.
The opportunity came, my father grabbed the opportunity,
Yes.
and he was lucky to come from this side. And he was honest man.
He was honest. Yes.
And he was hard worker.
Yes.
Because he used to tell us that 14 hours continuous he used to bake kebab himself.
So four things you have mentioned. One is honesty, hard work, luck. Whenever you see
Well-
that you're getting something, some opportunities, you have
When
to grab-
opportunities the Almighty gives to all.
Yes, correct.
But when the opportunity comes, you must be ready to grab
To
the
grab the opportunity.
That
Yes. Like you came from Iranian side.
I didn't come. I was born in
Yes.
My
Yeah,
father
your
came
father.
from in Iran in the year 1912.
1912. Oh, okay. So now, if we see that Lucky is famous for their biryani, if we talk about ingredients, so are they more towards Persian influenced or Mumbai influenced or both?
We are ours is Mughalite based.
Mughlai.
the Mughals had ruled India for years,
Yes.
and Mughlai cuisine is very famous.
Yes.
This has come from Mughlai, and Persian influence is called because the art of cooking
Yes.
is called dum biryani.
Dum biryani.
So you must know the art of cooking.
Yes.
Biryani is not science. Biryani is art.
Correct, correct, correct. With that, I also want to ask that, as you have mentioned, that our biryani is Mughlai biryani. That's what we call.
Mughlai
So Mughlai biryani. So, just one thing, if you can tell me what makes it more authentic, our Mughlai biryani than others.
This is one is you must continue the original cook who
Yes.
started. His formula was taken away by the assistants.
Oh.
The assistants gave the formula and that formula is still there. And you must know when to marinate, how much curd you must use, how to give them, where to give them, when to open the biryani. It's an all art. And my men are not input. They are from they started from, they were working under the cook,
Yes.
and then the cook went away, they become the cook.
They become the
Then the next generation came up.
Yes.
So that is continuing.
So from past many years,
Yeah. So the menu
just
never
is-
changes, the taste doesn't change
Yes.
because the thread is continuous.
Yes,
Yes.
correct. So with this, like you're ruling the biryani it is definitely famous all over the world. And you're ruling from past 87 years. I would say this is a biryani ruling institution. So with this, how you manage, or how you keep things traditional yet stay relevant with the current market, because it's very important. You have to change some things with the current ongoing market. So how you keep the traditional touch yet stay relevant?
So you see, the good point is my father, he had his own values.
Yes,
We educated people
yes,
because he was not educated. We educated people had our way.
yes,
So we introduce you. We are ready for change always. Now my son has come. We have changed the whole. So because we are ready for change,
yes.
we are ready for change. You succeed.
You have to be ready for
Ready for
change.
change.
Yes,
You have to move with the time.
yes, correct.
हमें पुराना मेरा बाप का स्टाइल चलेगा नहीं चलेगा.
Yes, yes.
I have to change. If you change at the right time, right moment, you will remain in business.
Yes,
Otherwise, your grandfather's tradition, father's tradition,
you have to keep changing yourself with the time.
with the time.
Yet you have to ground it with your roots.
Yeah. The rule is, of course, honesty,
Yes,
good quality,
yes,
no manipulation.
yes. Correct.
So that is very important. Honesty is very important.
Yes,
Business people
Business.
come here for because they know everything is genuine.
Yes.
Nothing is mixed.
Yes, correct.
We don't go for profit. We go for our reputation.
Yes, correct.
That is very important.
Honesty is very important when you are running a
Of
business.
course, we earn also.
Yes,
Not
yes.
that we don't.
Yes.
We earn quite good. You know.
I guess now we should have other discussion with the full plates on table.
Yeah.
Also, we should call Mohsin sir. So we know the backstory of Lucky Restaurant and how Lucky happened. So one question, like we know that now Mukta is flooded with lot of new cafes, restaurant, lounge, and very multi-cuisine and lot of launch you can see launching day by day. So how Lucky's doors are open day by day, and how we are acting with the competitors?
See, basically, we serve quality food, value for money. Our guest relations are very good, and of course the spices, the rices, and the services Everything counts a lot. So just by starting a restaurant and running a show doesn't make sense. You have to be personally present.
Yes, correct.
Then only you will get results.
That's
And some people still believe that old is gold.
yes, that's very true. That's very true.
They don't want to experiment. Old is gold.
Yes. And we all know that Lucky is not only famous in restaurant, but it's also famous in Bollywood. So how we started getting our first seller or
See, basically, Lucky's in Bandra.
yes.
And Bandra starts with Lucky Restaurant. The first thing you come inside is Bandra. It's Lucky Restaurant. Then you start the hill road and everything. And of course, we are well connected with the politicians, and you can say film stars.
Yes.
They're very close to us, school friends, college friends. So that way we're in touch with them. And of course, Mehboob Studio is close by. So whatever shoots, whatever food they want for the canteen or anything, it's Lucky's, they call, and bulk food reaches over there, you know.
Yes.
So that's why, and they know it's the best food, man.
It's the best food that everyone knows. And also, like if you can share any backstory, any fun story of selects, one you recall it happened with any celebrity.
And nothing as such, you know, when the celebs, they come, basically they come inside, but while going back outside, it's a major problem for them. The harassment by the locals, the children, the traffic issues. That's why once they come, they get like trouble, no? So there's a motion in future, we will order at home, because coming here is a major issue, because the local people, traffic issues, and honestly, they get troubled a lot. But still, a few of them still come, but afterwards they just avoid because of this mob troubles them a lot.
And also one thing I would love to ask this for all the restaurant owners or who wants to own the restaurant. What is that one key which is more important in a restaurant? I'll just four options for you. One is taste, ambience, hospitality, or legacy. What is the most important from all?
So, none of the four. The main is you should have your own property.
Oh,
None of the four. If you have your own property, it's your own. It's not a lease land, a lease plot, a lease restaurant. Then you run the show.
yes.
If it's a lease, it doesn't make sense. Whatever you earn, will pay to the landlords,
yes.
electricity bills, staff salaries, and you get nothing. And after 6 months, 1 year, it's a pack up. If you have your own property, start a restaurant. Otherwise, don't waste your precious time.
No property you cannot think of opening and
No, sir. No, sir. You need your own property.
if you want to bust one myth, what is that one myth about Lucky or biryani? Any myth that you have heard?
I didn't.
Any kind of myth?
Myth?
Yes, about biryani or Lucky that people are aging.
No, myth. Biryani is a dish.
Yes.
That myth is a short form of mythology. It's a real thing. So the question of myth doesn't arise. The only thing is that it is the taste which counts.
Yes.
And people, of course, biryani khaya. Biryani is the best dish. Then.
Yes.
But we don't help. The myth is created
Yes.
gradually.
Yes. Also, I don't know if it's a rumor or etc. that people say that biryani tastes better next day. What are your opinions on this?
Biryani tastes better the next day.
Yes,
It is actually a fact.
it's a fact.
It is a fact.
And how we see Lucky's biryani, is it
Ours is
5 mile?
We don't get time to keep it for the next day.
Next
we
day,
always
because-
serve fresh.
See, we got a calculations, you know.
Once the dum is open,
Yes.
Then
the
it's
meat
gone.
goes away. Dum is open, you have to eat immediately garam biryani. It tastes good when you buy and take it home and keep in your fridge. Next day you eat, then it tastes nice.
Yes,
In
absolutely
Lucky,
right.
always fresh.
And
Morning fresh, evening fresh.
means for lunch also is fresh.
If it
for
is
dinner,
sold in the morning, it is sold in the morning.
we have 2 sessions.
Sold in the evening, it's sold in. So that is less. That goes for the biryanis you take at home biryani.
Yeah, once you take it home,
Best.
and then you cool it down and keep it in the freezer. The next day you warm it and eat it. It's much tastier. This is what I've got feedbacks from my guests and my customers. You know, they always say it tastes better the next day.
Yes.
But of
That's
course,
a fact.
you ask me,
Yes.
then immediately we have it. It's much better. Means the dum jo khulta hai, uska jo aroma, uska jo taste hai, that's delicious, man.
I would jump to your kitchen to that planly team question. That was Lucky Restaurant. It was a plan B, or was there any other plans for this?
Actually, Lucky Restaurant is plan A. Lucky Hotel is plan B.
Accommodation.
The FSI was there, and we took the opportunity and we built that hotel. The plan B was our hotel, means residential hotel. That is plan B.
That is plan.
And
It
it's
was all happened.
hospitality industry it is.
Yes.
It is all linked to the hospitality industry, of course. Accommodation, food, all goes together. So we are in this industry, hospitality. We have got a branch in Goregaon. It's another
He
restaurant.
knows very well his stays in Goregaon.
Oh, you stay in Goregaon, very nice. And it's a restaurant with a hotel with 42 rooms. And that's again our own property, you know. So we know how to go about this.
Staff is really good.
Humble. My staff is all are humble, all are nice, and all are honest. That makes a major difference.
Over 87 years, Lucky saw lot of ups and downs, like lot of floods and
Wars and
so how you
second, but
then what is the lesson of resilience?
no, sir, everything comes, but we have to adjust.
Yes.
This COVID also had come. That was also a big major. But we adjusted. So adjustment has to be in the life.
What was your lesson? What you learned?
No, the question is that time and tide waits for no man. Everything can change anytime. So be ready for everything.
Good days and
Don't
bad
lay
days.
all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
So we are ready. Whatever change is comes, we are already ready for it.
Okay. We'll start with the rapid fire now. Okay, I'll just give you two options.
Can I say something more about Lucky's?
Yes.
Basically, that I've told you already. This is a simple Irani restaurant serving keema pao and everything. At present, we have multi-cuisine.
Yes.
We sell tandoori chickens, kebabs, biryanis, Chinese, seafood, all the best of the soups,
Yes.
all the barbecue foods. Then we have AC sections. Lucky's got 4 AC sections. Then we have got a total sitting capacity of 290 people at one time. In Bandra, 290 people can sit at one time at my restaurant. And then we have got valet parking. We've got a rooftop terrace for special occasions, parties, engagements, and functions. And that's it. And day by day, we are growing.
They were all plan B.
Yes, this is all planned.
And thanks to all my partners in my business, the partners in my business are my guests,
Yes.
my customers. They are actually my partners in my business. They help me to grow. So my customers help me to grow. So they are automatically my partners in my success.
If I would just ask one thing, like you just need to answer in one word.
Yes, sir.
Lucky is what lucky is for you. Just one word, if you want to see. What
Lucky is, it's great, man. It's a legend.
Lucky is my lifeline.
Lifeline.
Yes.
Absolutely right. Great.
If I'm
Nice.
famous, it is because of Lucky.
Lucky, absolutely.
If I'm rich, because of Lucky. If whatever I am is because of Lucky. So Lucky is everything for me.
Absolutely right.
Lucky is right, yes. So let's jump to the rapid fire. I'll give you two options. You just need to choose
One.
for now. Okay. Spice level, mild or masaledar?
Medium. Not very spicy, neither very no spice.
Potato in biryani, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Amir Khan or Salman Khan?
Salman. Actually, both are very close to us.
That's why I kept.
Yeah.
And you need to choose one.
Both are very close to us.
Both are very close.
They love us, we love them.
Both are in my heart. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Both are very close to me. They both are in my heart. So it's a family. So I don't want to spoil that.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay. Order in or dine in?
Of course, dine in.
Dine in.
Of course.
Yeah.
Dining is the best, man. You come down, eat, and enjoy yourself, man.
Yes, correct.
Garam garam khao, logo ke saath khao.
Yes.
Get the feel of the restaurant. That's dining is the best, man.
I can see you have changed a lot into the furniture. So this one is for that. Traditional wooden furniture or modern furnitures? What?
We have both.
Yeah.
We have sections. We have modern also furniture, and we have the traditional also. So people have the vibes are there. You know, you want to sit here, you want to sit there, and they are all choices. And mostly people prefer
The choice is customers.
Yes.
the guests want to do.
Wherever they want to sit.
Given
they-
all the choices to the customer.
Absolutely, garden section. It's a smoking section, and then we have AC sections. Everything is there. Family atmosphere.
And now comes to very difficult question. Best podcast in India, Plan B or Plan B?
Best
Podcast in India, Plan B or Plan B?
plan B or plan B?
Yes.
Both are plan B.
So according to you, it's Plan B is the best podcast.
Yes,
Thank you.
right.
Well, sir, podcast first, you must define what is podcast. I'm an old man, 84 years. The modern things I know very little. So you must define what is podcast, then I can tell you
This, whatever we are doing, is the
this is called podcast. So plan B or plan?
B.
Plan B only.
This is.
That's it. Plan B.
Thank you.
At present, of course,
It's plan B. It's there.
Wherever,
it's the company-
wherever business.
Yes, of course.
Matters.
Plan B. Plan B. I got you.
I guess with that, thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for coming and giving us
And
an
giving us-
opportunity to
giving
serve
us
you.
an opportunity
Yes.
to talk
This
to
is
you.
a really good opportunity for us. Like sitting next to you is achievement for me. So thank you so much.
Very, 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 very thanks for your compliments. God bless you. Be happy. I'll pray for you.
Yes.
And I beg you also pray for.
I'll definitely pray for.
Because I know prayers help.
Yes. Correct.
They always.
We'll just get.
Yes. All the best and good luck to you.
I belong to Nagpur.
Okay.
And
Wow.
as everyone know, I guess you also know that Santra is famous in Nagpur.
Oranges.
So I bring the Santra Barfi.
Wow.
How's the food?
Amazing, as you can see.
और
ये क्यों खिला रहा है?
अरे ये खिलाना नहीं, इसी पे तो बोलना है. Chicken crispy. And what is this?
Mutton chop,
How's the food now?
amazing, as you
Amazing.
can see. All this will be finished by me and him.
तुझ्या आतला साऊंड घ्यायचा होता रे. यात जे आपण बोलतो तेच येतं रे फक्त.
Too good.